Ever wondered about the rich history of Great Britain? Our journey begins in ancient times when Celtic tribes inhabited the land we now know as Great Britain. These early inhabitants lived in tribal communities, each with its own distinct culture and customs. One of their most remarkable contributions is the enigmatic monument we know as Stonehenge. Druids, Stonehenge, and a rich tapestry of cultures set the stage for the island's captivating history. Next, we witness the arrival of the Romans in 43 AD, bringing with them roads, baths, and Hadrian's Wall. They introduced a centralized system of governance, advanced engineering techniques, and Latin language. They built extensive networks of roads and walls, the most famous being Hadrian's Wall, a defensive fortification in the Roman province of Britannia. Despite their departure in the 5th century, the Romans left an indelible mark on the British Isles. Roman influence left an enduring impact on Britain's infrastructure and culture. The Anglo-Saxon era saw the establishment of kingdoms, while Viking invasions brought both conflict and cultural exchange. The Anglo-Saxons, originally from Germany, established 7 kingdoms known as the Heptarchy. Meanwhile, the fearsome Vikings from Scandinavia began their invasions, leading to a tumultuous period of warfare and cultural intermingling. This era birthed the concept of Danelaw, areas under Viking control, and gave rise to legendary narratives like Beowulf. The Danelaw and the epic tale of Beowulf emerged from this dynamic period. In 1066, William the Conqueror's Norman army defeated Harold at the Battle of Hastings, ushering in the Norman Conquest. This pivotal moment in history marked the beginning of a new era in England, characterized by the rule of Norman kings and the rise of feudalism. Majestic castles dotted the landscape, serving as fortified homes for the nobility. Knights pledged their allegiance to their lords and the king. The Magna Carta, signed in 1215, laid the groundwork for modern democracy. This event shaped the medieval period with knights, castles, and the Magna Carta. The Tudor era brought about the English Reformation and iconic monarchs like Henry VIII and Elizabeth I. This period was marked by religious upheaval, artistic flourishing, and global exploration. Transitioning into the Stuart era, we see a nation divided by civil strife. The English Civil War, a clash between royal authority and parliamentary power, profoundly shook the nation. This turmoil ultimately led to the beheading of King Charles I and the establishment of a republic. The Stuart period witnessed the English Civil War, leading to the establishment of constitutional monarchy. The 18th century marked the start of the Industrial Revolution, propelling Britain into a global economic powerhouse. This period saw a monumental shift from manual labor to mechanized production. Innovations in textiles, steam power, and iron-making transformed Britain into the workshop of the world. The wealth accumulated fueled the expansion of the British Empire, extending its reach to lands far and wide. This era left an indelible mark not only on Britain, but on the entire globe. The British Empire expanded, shaping the course of world history.